over. All right, let's go inside. Where the woman?
Staying here.
Came and report in the office that they have an issue in the salon. We are a makeup artist is trying to dress this very woman, but the woman says she's not satisfied with the dressing, with the way they make her up. And from there, I have to go to the salon and then invite them to the station. From there, I said, let them come and see the twice. So I don't know if the twice is inside.
It's inside, it should be inside.
Okay. Alright, the twice inside, let's go inside. Okay, sir.
I can.
Hey, go in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So what was the problem?
Sir, I came to her studio. I asked her that is she a makeup artist. She told him that yes, she's a makeup artist. So I asked her that can she recreate this very look. I asked her that can she recreate the very look. She said yes, she can recreate it. And I asked her that how much will she do it for me. She said it's 5,000 naira. I asked her more than how many times that can she recreate it. She don't recreate it, I will not pay. She said yes, she will recreate it. She was even telling me that I should make a promise. I told her I don't make promise because I don't want to make promise. And at the end of the day, I will end up not fulfilling it. That if she gets the look, I will pay her. In the process of doing that, sir, she was just messing with my face. And at the end of the day, I don't like what I see. The makeup is not same with the one that is on my face. Then I said I will not pay. Before you know it, she just called her boyfriend. And the boyfriend now came with police. That we should come to police station. I said, oh, let me come. So that I'll come and explain myself. Because me, I'm not satisfied with this look. On our way here, everybody that sees me will be laughing on the street.
Is that Madam Makeup?
Yes, sir.
The picture you saw on her face, are they the same?
It's the same, sir. It's what she showed me that I did to her. She said she don't like it because it's not her first time of coming to my place that I should do makeup for her. The other day, that's how she came. She was complaining, talking to me, yeah, insulting me. She did not even give me my complete money. And this time again, she come back. I asked her to left my shop. She refused, and I did what she showed me. I don't know what she's telling me now. So my boyfriend has to come and call the police.
So this is how the makeup looks like.
But what is in the picture here is not what is
Sir,
in her
this is
face.
what I asked for, and this is what she gave to me.
But it's what she showed me that I did to her.
Yes, she showed you this, and what's on her face is different.
I don't know what she want me to do again. That's why I asked her to leave the shop because I cannot do it. If she don't like it, then she will leave.
Has she paid you? She has paid you?
She have not paid me my money.
Okay. So you go, maybe redo it, or if she has paid you money, you return her money because she has not accepted what you have done.
Buy it. And not buy it free.
But what I see in the pictures she showed you is not what is on her face.
I don't
Do
know.
you agree?
I agree. It's what she showed me that I did to her. I don't know what she wants again. She will pay me my money. Either she like it or not, she must pay me my money. She was insulting me, talking to me anyhow. She must pay me my money. Either she like it or not. I need my money. And I asked her, even if she did not like makeup, after we have done it, will she take it? She said yes, I should just do
Me?
it. Yes.
Did I promise her?
You say that.
You said it.
So now that you see, it's a makeup thing, and she can only accept what she asks you to do for her, and what she asks you to do for her is different from what you have just done.
Then what do you want me to do now?
You can snap her. Take a look at the picture and take a look at what you have done. You have not done a professional job. So I think you either go and redo it, or You allow her to go to another place and do her job.
If only she will go to another place, but let her should not come back to my shop again. That is the truth. Let today be the last time of her coming to my shop that she wants to do makeup. I don't want it. Tell her, warn her very well. I don't want to warn her again. Tell her, because I have wasted my things now. I don't want her to come back to my shop. No, I don't need that. Okay. I don't need that in my shop again. Tell her. They say customers are always right, but she's not right. She can never be right with me because she don't know how to talk to someone.
Well, you'll go to another place and try to do the makeup to your taste.
Yes, sir.
And she, I think, if you have not paid her,
yes, sir,
let it be like that. I don't want you people to be quarrel about it.
Yes, sir.
So you allow her to go because you have not done what she wants, and let it not be that you people begin to break the law because of I do makeup, I don't do makeup.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
3 days later.